Look, I'm no photographer, but I can picture you in this house. This is Cedarbrook in Chilliwack, where homes start at just $619,900 for 3 beds. Completion early 2024. We've got 10 acres of parks, 4 kilometers of trails, plus so many amenities. This is a hidden room right through the garage, perfect for an office or a gym space. Let's make our way upstairs. Alright, here's the first washroom, very conveniently placed right when you enter your home. Now let's take you to the dining area where your dinner parties are always going to be memorable. Stacked washer and dryer, and a nice patio space just to chill and relax. And a very nice and spacious kitchen. Just look at the size of that fridge. I'm just imagining how much food you can fit in there. And this living room allows for a ton of natural light and could also be a perfect nap spot. Alright, let's make our way upstairs. This is the master bedroom of the home. It's got a closet leading right into the washroom, with the stand-up shower and double sinks. And now just down the hallway, there's another washroom, because you can never have too many mirrors to practice your victory dances in. Now into this bedroom here. It's extremely cozy, also allows a ton of natural light as well. And just beside it, here's another bedroom. Alright, thanks for joining me on this tour. If you're interested, give me a call.